Good morning student. Today we will study of class 6 subject moral science. Today we'll do exercise of chapter 1. Question, question A. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. Who won 4 gold medal in the Berlin Olympic in 1936? Correct option Jesse Wentz. Number 2, Adolf Hitler, the Chancellor of Germany, was preparing for the Second World War. Correct option Germany. Number 3, Louis Long was a German athlete. Correct option German. Number 4, a year before Berlin Olympic Wentz set the world record of 26 feet 8.5 inch. Correct option 26 feet 8.5 inch. Number 5, from whom Jesse Wentz was trying to hide his nervousness. Correct option Louis Long. Pierre de Coubertin was the founder of modern Olympic Games. Correct option Olympic Games. The Olympic Games of 1936 were being held in Berlin. Correct option Berlin. Number 8, the Olympic Games of 1936 were being held on Berlin. Correct option Berlin. Number 8, an angry athlete is an athletic who will make mistakes. Correct option mistakes. Wright, who said thought the following statements. Number 1, to fail at the trials and make a fool of myself, said Jesse Wentz. Number 2, I am fine. The question is, how are you? Jesse Wentz. You should be able to qualify with your eyes shut. Louis Long. I qualified with almost a foot to spare, said that Jesse Wentz. What does it matter if you are not first in the trial? Louis Long. The important thing in the Olympic Games is not winning, but taking part. Louis Long. I I hit my eye especially on the long jumps. Jesse wins. Something must be eating you, said Jesse wins. Right, good or bad? Jesse wins had worked hard for the Olympic game. Good. Jesse wins was angry when at play. Bad. Right, good or bad? Number one, Jesse wins had worked hard for the Olympic. Good. Number two, Joyce Wins was angry when at play. Bad. Louis Lance support Jesse Wins. Good. Louis Long wanted Jesse Wins to do better. Good. Adolf Hitler thought that the Aryans were a master race. Good. Jesse Wins set on Olympic record in Louis long jump. Good. Jesse Wins determined to go out there and rarely so dar her who was surprised and who was not. Bad. Jesse Wins kicked especially at the ground. Bad. Answer the following question. Number one, where were the Olympic Games held in 1936? Answer: the Olympic Games held in 1936 in Berlin. Question 2, who was Louis Long? Louis Long was a German. Question 3, who was Adolf Hitler? Answer: Adolf Hitler was the Chancellor of Germany. Question 4, what happened on the first of Jesse Wins their qualifying jump? Answer: on the first of Jesse Wins their qualifying jumps, Jesse Wins leaped from several inches beyond the sack of gold for a no jump. Question 5. Question 5. Why did Jesse Wins kick disgustedly at the ground? Answer: Jesse Wins kicked disgustedly at the ground because he had failed in trials. Question 6. How did all the tension ebb out of Jesse Win's body. Suddenly, all the tension Jesse Win's body seemed to the suddenly all the tension seemed to ebb out of Jesse Win's body as the truth of what Louis Long said hit me. Question number 7. What was Jesse Win's thinking while he was going over on the boat? Answer. While Jesus Wins was going over on the boat, he couldn't think about was taking home one or two of these gold medals. Question number 8. Why did Hitler kept Louis Long hidden away? Hitler had kept Louis Long hidden away, evidently hoping that he would win the jump. Complete your lesson. Your homework is complete exercise in copy.